Let's fill out the Louisiana ATV bill of sale together and do it in a way that holds up when it's time to register the ATV and transfer the title. Start at the top with the date of sale. Then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyers, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the ATV, the make and model, and the year. Then the VIN. Type the VIN exactly as it appears on the title or the ATV. A single wrong character can hold up the transfer. Now the sale price, in our example, $8,500, paid all at once, by check, with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties, and it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them only if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. Great news if you're buying or selling an ATV in this state. Let's walk through exactly what you need to get it done right. First, let's talk about who needs to sign. 2 people must sign the bill of sale, and these 2 individuals need to attest based on their own personal knowledge. So make sure you have both signatures in place before you consider the paperwork complete. Now, for the seller's information. The full legal name and license number of the individual applicant must be included. Double-check that everything is spelled out correctly and matches official documents. When it comes to notarization, the original notarized manufacturer's certificate must be submitted to the department within 60 days. So don't wait on that step. The clock starts ticking once the deal is done. For the bill of sale itself, remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.